Ever felt stuck when someone asks, "What do you do?" and you're not sure how to answer in English? We're about to fix that.
I love this topic. By the end of today's episode, you'll have easy, natural phrases to talk about your job without feeling nervous.
I'm James, and you're listening to our English Learning Podcast. I'm joined by Sophia, and together, we'll help you sound confident when talking about your work.
Here's what we'll dive into: simple ways to say your job, how to answer follow-up questions, sharing what you like about your work, and asking others about their jobs too.
Let's start with the basics. How would you introduce your job? If someone asks, "What do you do?"
My go-to is, I'm a teacher. I teach English at a language school. It's super clear and gives a bit more detail than just my job title.
That works well. For me, I'd say, I'm a graphic designer. If I want to add more, I mention where I work. Like, I work at a marketing company.
It feels more natural to add a little detail, right? Listeners, you can try both just the job title or add where you work for extra context.
Now, people often ask, how long have you been doing that? What's a simple way to answer?
I usually say, I have been teaching for 3 years. It's direct, and people instantly know your level of experience.
I like that. For me, I'd say, I've been a graphic designer for 5 years. Just changing the job title and time makes it flexible.
Listeners, you can try this. I have been a your job for number years. Super simple, and it sounds friendly.
What about when someone asks, do you enjoy your job? That's a common follow-up.
Absolutely. I like to answer honestly, so I say, yes, I really enjoy it because I like helping students learn new things.
For me, it's, I enjoy it because I like being creative. Sharing the reason makes your answer sound personal, not just a yes or no.
It also helps people connect with you. Listeners, adding because and a reason is a great small talk skill.
So, after you talk about your job, it's always polite to ask the other person, what do you do?
Definitely, and you can make it even friendlier by saying, what about you? Or, how about you? That keeps the conversation going.
I've noticed people open up more when you're curious about their work too. It turns a short chat into a real conversation.
And if you want more details, you can follow up with, where do you work? Or, how long have you been doing that? Try to listen and respond naturally.
That flew by. Let's wrap up with 3 things to remember. First, introduce your job with a clear sentence. Second, add details like where you work or how long you've done it. Third, share what you enjoy about your job and show interest in others' work.
Your action step: practice these sentences out loud, maybe with a friend or even in front of a mirror. The more you say them, the more natural they'll feel.
Thanks for joining us. We hope you feel more confident talking about your job in English.
See you next time, keep practicing, and have fun with your English conversations.